Hello, Chef here. So what do we have here? Oh yes, this is the peel of a butternut squash. Two-tone cream of butternut squash soup. Oh yeah. And if you focus in here, what's in the pot, that's a whole butternut squash and it's simmering. Chef is making cream of butternut squash soup. Yeah, if you're interested in soups, I suggest you check out the recipes on the channel here. Just subscribe right down here in the corner, and there's a bunch of soups. So one of the most important things when you're simmering a vegetable like this, you want to make sure it's soft and tender. Yeah, so you just give it a squish against the pan, and you check it out. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good. So the next thing we got to do is we got to taste and adjust seasonings. Yeah. Wow. Could use a little bit of salt. Since you're one of my students, if you made a soup just like this, I'd probably be giving you an A. It's really, really good. Another thing I like to put in my butternut squash soup is just a dash of cinnamon. How much? In that large pot, tiny bit like this. Just a touch of cinnamon is all you need. Yeah. All right, we're ready for the immersion blender. Immersion blender goes in here, and we puree it. Now that's about the consistency I'm looking for right there. If you don't have an immersion blender, I suggest you invest in one. It's a good quality item. We're going to go back and wash this spoon off here. Tasting spoon. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we're looking for. Wow, really, really good. Now to finish this, we're going to be using heavy cream, and we're going to just incorporate maybe, this is about 1.5 quarts of soup. I'm going to put about 4 ounces of cream in there. I want to give it a little creaminess, lighten up the color, and produce the cream of butternut squash that I'm oh so familiar with. This was a very popular dish in some of the cafes in France. It still is. It's just not as busy as it used to be. It'll come back. Everything comes back. So this is looking good now. I like it. I like the color. I like the taste. And wow. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Really, really nice. If I get enough comments, I'll put the recipe down below here. But search this channel. First, learn how to make chicken stock, make a vegetable stock, make beef stock, make bone broth, then get into these other soups. I encourage you to try a lot of different soups. Fall and winter are coming. Soup is super healthy. This one's really, really good. And wow, they're gonna go nuts. Get cooking and have a great day. Okay, the soup has reduced down now. It's about the consistency I'm looking for. I'm going to plate this up and show you some tips. Okay, when plating a nice cream soup like this, we like to have a matching garnish. So right here we have some pieces of steamed butternut squash. They look nice and they're in kind of slices, but I'm going to give them kind of a little bit more of a bite-sized pieces, just like this. So this will be my garnish right here. Okay, I'm gonna move in here and show you how to make a two-tone version of a cream soup. So the first thing we do is we ladle a few ounces of our soup into the bowl, just like this. That should be enough right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Then we're going to add a little bit of heavy cream, and this cream's been reduced. I'm going to put just a few drops around the perimeter like this. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right there. And then I'm going to use one of my skewers. This is a stainless steel oval shaped skewer. I really like these, and you can find them at the sponsor. Alright, so I'm going to give this just a little bit of garnish like this. Yeah, that is the video. We'll put a couple of these squash in there just to represent the fact it's butternut squash soup. 1, 2, 3, maybe 5, 4, 5. Now the customer who gets this is going to know, wow, look at that. Beautiful. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Butcher Block, knife sets, and everything for your kitchen. Buy the best the first time. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. Yeah. All right. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Finished stew, touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a great day. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Roll them up tight. Beautiful. Fresh chopped oregano. Yeah. We've got garlic, tomatoes, onions, roasted peppers, asparagus, a bunch of other interesting things on here. I like to finish with a little bit of the fresh oregano, as well as a dusting of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano mixed with Pecorino Romano. Yeah. How's that look? Drop a comment. And as usual, yeah, you see that? It's perfect. Like a crispy cracker. That right there is what I'm looking for. No leaks. Perfection. Excellence in every bite. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded. Made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.